Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss about the NBA accreditation. This is the manual for the accreditation of the undergraduate engineering program, and we'll discuss about the criteria third, student admission and the first year performance. This criterion is about intake of the student in the UG program and the first year performance. Since the curriculum for the first year is common to all the UG program, it is evaluated separately. Student admission, admission intake, that's having the 5 marks, sanction intake strength in the institute, CYA, M1, M2, and M3. Number of students admitted on merit, M1, M2, M3. Number of students admitted on the management quota, number of total students admitted in the institute. Then number 2, admission quality. Divide the total admitted ranks into a 5 or few meaningful ranges. Rank range above 98 percentile, 95 to 98 percentile, 90 to 90 percentile, 80 to 90 percentile. The admission quality of the student in terms of their ranks in the entrance examination may be presented here. Tabular data for the estimating the student-teacher ratio and the faculty qualification for the first year. List of the faculty members teaching first year courses. Name of the faculty, qualification, designation, date of the joining institute, department of which associated, distribution of the teaching load, first year, UG and the PG. Instruction, the student may list the faculty members engaged in the first year teaching along with the other relevant data. Assessment of the first year student-teacher ratio, that's having the 20 marks. 3 years of the data for the first year courses to calculate the student-teacher ratio. Number of the student approved intake strength, number of the faculty member considering the fractional load, and the assessment. This is the assessment. Assessment of the faculty qualification teaching first year common courses. Assessment of the qualification and the number of the faculty member with PhD, number of the faculty member with MTech, number of the faculty members with the BTech, total number of the faculty members considering the fractional load, number of faculty needed for the faculty strength ratio, 25, whichever is the higher. Academic performance in the first year common courses. Academic performance 20 into FSY, where FSY first year success index. Number of students who have cleared all the subjects in a single attempt, plus 0.5 number of students who have cleared all but one subject in a single attempt, divided by total number of students admitted in the first year. Number of students admitted in the first year, number of students who have cleared all subjects in the single attempt, number of students who clear all subjects but one subject in single attempt. First year success index, this is the average FSY, average FSY. This is the criterion 3 related to the student admission and the first year performance, having the 75 marks. This is the criterion third, how the student admission is there and how the first year student performance is there in the college.